Alrighty, welcome everyone to the channel. Today we actually have a pretty cool event. Even though my day started out with not being able to get some donuts, but oh well. It is Valentine's Day today, so I kind of figured that they might be sold out. But today I sold the 240. Actually to this guy right here. He just sent me a Snapchat. His name's Brandon. He's been a good friend of ours for a little while. Oh, look, he's got the trailer. There's his beautiful D-Max.
Coming out. Making moves.
Making big moves.
D-Max coming out.
So today, sold the 240. We're playing hockey and putting in a little install video for you guys. I can hear that damn Duramax from like days away. Of course. Apparently it rolls coal too, didn't know that. Crazy.
Yeah, boy! Got ourselves a trailer.
Merch plug. U-Haul, sponsor us. We need trailers for a lot of stuff. Garbage trucks ruining everything. Let's see his A1 skills of trailering. Alright, so we got Tyler. Can't really see him through here. There he is. Tyler's here. We got Brandon picking up the car. And off we go in the wonderful D-Max. Hey, this is a nice little step, bro, for these us short people. Oh, it's very nice in here. Oh, where's the rack mount and all that stuff under?
Yeah, right.
This boy has like a $1,400 sound system in this bitch. Oh, there it is. Look at all this. It's about to blow my fucking brain out of my head. Jesus. Look at 240. She's heading out. This tape's gonna need to be come off. We'll just stick that there. This will be a good project. He has way more time than I do, as far as and also more mechanical knowledge. But I'm gonna help him do it as well. So we'll be all in this together. There actually might be like a build-off we might do too. So that's future news.
There's no motor.
Dude, I thought you knew. No, I was kidding. Axle looks good.
Guys.
You're good, bro.
Oh, we're gonna get this going.
Oh yeah. The trunk still works, by the way.
How much horsepower that thing got?
The whole zero.
He's fucking L1.
0 horsepower.
It's in the rear.
Dude, rear mounted, boy. Rear mounted.
Drift stairs.
Let's go. We got it.
Why?
All right, so Tyler and Brandon got it all hooked up. They strapped down the front and chained the back down, and also tied the hood so it doesn't fly up and smack it. Now we're just gonna wash our hands and head back home. Time to head on back
To the junkyard.
to the junkyard. Yeah, we're gonna see.
We're gonna go to
We're gonna see if that original engine is there.
Fucking hot. Goddamn place.
How we'll know it's that one is because it was painted teal. So we'll see how that is, or what else we can find, I guess. So
LS, LT, OQ, 2J, 1J, 4BT, 350, SPC, BBC,
AT&T.
AT&T, Honda 4-cylinder.
Okay, so we might have found it. 92, 93, huh?
Remember, the car and the swaps on the same.
Yeah.
It's the same model.
Let me
Do you
see.
have any?
I'll hand it to you. Got it. Alright, this is attempt not to kill myself today. Looking for a teal one. Hey. Oh, 92, 97. This might be it. Maybe it wasn't teal. Maybe it was blue. Bid war is lit in there. Going back and forth. Alright, going back and forth. Back and forth. Just kidding. He just said 250 and 250, so we'll see what he says. Or what we get it for. Brandon's a freaking bargaining master. 8,000.
What did I say?
600. Come on, 600 for a used transmission.
And a motor that we don't even know runs.
Yeah.
And a transmission we don't even know works.
And we gotta freaking piece this thing together because it's not together.
We got a back clutch.
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah, there was no clutch in there.
There's no shift fork.
Yeah, there's no shift.
Shift nut.
Yeah, that was weak. So
We're gonna try Pena.
we're gonna go try Peñas and see if they can give us a better deal or if they have anything.
Or if they have LS.
We're just gonna tell them it's like a fucking out of like a goddamn like 1960 like Yamaha fucking foot or something.
Yeah, you'll never sell it.
Yeah.
Ever.
You're never gonna sell this car. Just give it to me for like $50.
All right, so Peñas was just a little walk away. We're gonna play chicken again.
If Penas don't got it, fine, it's like a
V6.
maybe this one.
2JZ, dude. I'm not even joking when I.
Dude, it is.
Dude.
Is that a
So as you know, we just found that 2J. The guy said he's gonna give us a price. We're gonna find out how much he's gonna charge us for it. So he had us at 5, and then he went down to 4. But we're just gonna take a look on Craigslist and eBay and stuff like that. Kind of compile some numbers and figure out exactly what we need or what Brandon wants. And we'll just have to go from there. Why'd you put up your window?
Because you should say that on
Go.
Roast them tires. Roast them, boy. Hell yeah. I don't know what that is, but go follow whatever the TNR is. See you guys a little later. Bye 240. All right. Now it's hockey time, boys.